Hey, what's happening? This is Linus, you're watching TechLine, and I'm here at MWC in Barcelona, and I had a chance to check out the brand new LG G8 smartphone. We have premium build, great specifications, and a few innovative features. Let's take a look. You know, I think that LG has always produced solid smartphones. The problem is that they do not spend that much money on marketing as Samsung or Huawei does. I had a chance to check out the brand new G8 ThinQ, the latest flagship, and I have to say that I was quite impressed by the overall package. Just like previous LG phones, the G8 is well built and it's really comfortable to hold in the hand. It comes in blue, black and red colors. Yes, we've seen this design before, the bezels might be a tad bigger than on other flagships, but overall, I still like how the G8 looks and feels. Here's how it looks like next to the Galaxy S10 Plus and the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Really similar design as we have metal trim and glass on the front and rear on each phone. One of the highlights, gesture and motion controls we've never seen on other smartphones. First, you can use your palm to unlock the phone. LG used a dedicated 3D sensor and they call this feature Hand ID. Well, I didn't use the phone long enough so I can't comment how this feature works in real life, but so far it seems to be working quite well. I imagine this feature could be useful if you don't want to touch the phone with dirty or wet hands. Air Motion lets you access favorite functions, answer calls, snooze alarms, and even increase the volume without touching your phone. Even though these features seem kind of gimmicky, they might be useful once you get used to using them. Tell me in the comment section down below what you think. The third innovative feature, the entire screen acts as a loudspeaker. LG calls it Crystal Sound OLED. Well, it sounds fancy, but in practice, the sound quality is actually really crisp and clear, but I'll be doing more detailed comparisons with other phones in the future, and I will let you know how good the speaker actually is. And make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that. The display is brilliant. I found it to be tack sharp, clear, and beautiful to look at. I think it's easily one of the best panels out there. LG is one of the first companies to implement a wide-angle camera, which is a trend seen in today's flagships. You also get a standard and zoom lens that have optical image stabilization. On the front, you get an 8-megapixel shooter with a bright aperture lens. I can't wait to test the camera out in detail, but my first impressions are really good, despite the fact that the pictures were taken with a pre-release software and in poor light. Other key specs include IP68 certification for water and dust resistance and MIL 110G compliance. In addition, there is a headphone jack, a high-end DAC for great audio, and a fingerprint sensor on the back. A 3500 mAh battery should last you at least one full day and you can recharge it wirelessly. As you may expect, the G8 has all the bells and whistles when it comes to specs. You get the latest chipset from Snapdragon, plenty of RAM and storage. My first impressions, the phone is snappy and responsive even though we have a heavily customized LG skin that is built on top of Android 9. The UI is quite different than stock Android, but you do get plenty of features and customization options LG is famous for. My overall impressions about the phone, I think that the G8 offers a great overall package. Well, the device does not offer exceptional design, but it does look beautiful and the phone feels nice in the hand. I also like the display, camera setup, and quite a few innovative motion and gesture controls, even though some may find them gimmicky. The pricing and availability is not yet disclosed, but expect the G8 to cost about $800 US. I will update the video description for that. To sum up, I do think that the G8 has the potential of being one of the best flagship phones of 2019, but I need to spend more time with it, compare the phone with other flagships, and for that make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So what do you think about the brand new LG G8? Would you buy this device or would you choose Galaxy S10, Huawei Mate 20 Pro or any other phone? Drop me a comment down below. Also drop me a comment down below if you have any questions about this device. Like the video if you liked it, all the stuff. Thank you for watching and see you soon.